Hey guys, so we have here a problem with our top loader washing machine. You see the pulsator disc, and when the machine is running, you can actually hold onto this disc and just make it stop. So this basically makes the washer not working anymore. So when you have the clothes in there, it won't wash. So the first thing we're going to do to fix this is of course unplug it so that we're not running into any problems here. Safety first, and then we're going to take our flat blade screwdriver. We're going to pop off this plastic cap here right in the middle. And then underneath that cap, we're going to find a relatively big Phillips screw. So we're going to take this off as well. So now we can here pull off the disc, the pulsator disc. And then underneath, we're going to find here this rod here, the stud here, or this drive shaft. And this is made out of metal. So it's a really sturdy piece of metal. And if we look at the corresponding piece here in our pulsator, you see this part is made out of plastic. So metal versus plastic doesn't work too well. So the plastic eventually is going to give here. So you could say that this is intentionally made out of plastic so that they frequently run out. So every other year I have to eventually change these discs. So this was not the first time that I have to do this. So now here's our new disc, and this one is still really intact. So this one does not slip. So the old one was slipping on the shaft, so this one does not. So we're going to put this one straight on to the shaft, and we're going to put the Phillips screw back on right after we actually cleaned the machine underneath. So while you have this disc off, I suggest to clean the machine underneath, and then you put the disc on and put the Phillips screw back on, and then we're going to, as the last step, put this cover back on. Make sure you're orientating or have this in the right orientation. Look for the clips here on this cover, and then look for the holes on the disc. Those should be aligning, and then just pop it right on there, and that's already it. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.